Welcome to the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage, where rude mechanicals do magic. Hello, I'm Bronze Age, Director of the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage, and today we have to repair a footboard that's gone off the rails. This is the footboard for a king-size bed, and there's a variety of ways to put beds together. On this bed, we've got these two bolts, and they hold down a bracket that goes to the bed rail. This is not the actual bracket off this bed, but it's something similar. And down inside the wood here, they have a little gizmo like this, which has machine screw threads on the inside and sort of wood screw threads on the outside. And when they're making this at the factory, they drill a hole and spin this down in there and hope that it stays in place as many times as the bed needs to be taken apart and moved. Which of course is why this bed's in the lab today. One of these little screw gizmos has broken loose and it's just spinning around inside the wood. And we've got to figure out some way to get that thing out and repair it so that the bed can be put back together again. Now the plan is to drill this area out so that a piece of this round stock can be glued into place. And I have to keep this center to center distance exactly right. So I've made this jig, which will guide the bit, and drill that out right on center. I'm at the Packard 12-speed precision drill press. Got a 1 1/4 inch Forstner bit, drilling into pine, so we are going to be running at 1000 RPM. Now I need to drill a 3/8 inch hole in this piece, but I have to be able to take it out because the T-nut goes in from the bottom and it's a little sloppier than I would like. So I've drawn a line across it so that I can get it lined back up when I put it back in, and I'm going to drive in a couple little wedges to lock it in place so that my drill bit doesn't spin the piece. Now before I glue this in, I'm going to take a wood shaving and wrap it around it to take up some of that gap, because this is just a little more slack than regular wood glue can handle. After that, it sits overnight. I'll have the customer bring in the bed rail when they come to pick this up so I can check it to make sure it actually does fit. I might have to grind the hole out a little bit, but I don't think that'll actually be a problem. So, this is Bronze Age for the Secret Underground Laboratory, and I appreciate you sitting through this video. I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I put out about one video a week on lamp or furniture repair, and I welcome all comments and questions on anything. Any sort of lamp question, any sort of furniture question, happy to help. And again, I appreciate you watching.